When choosing your starting position, remember, a vehicle is more maneuverable in reverse, so you can fit even into a narrow spot. But the further you are from the parking space, the easier it will be to park. Step 1. Find an available parking space. Step 2. Take the correct position on the road. Use your side mirrors for orientation. Move forward slowly until your right side mirror aligns with the start line of the parking spot. Step 3. Turn on your right signal. Check your mirrors to make sure you're not blocking anyone. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left and slowly start moving until your car becomes parallel to the parking line in your side mirror. Step 4. Straighten the wheels, shift into reverse, and gently back into the parking space. Congratulations, you've completed the angle parking maneuver. Now go practice on quiet, low-traffic roads. And if you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe. We have lots of simple animations, driving quizzes, and helpful tips for beginner drivers. See you in the next video.